Today's hinge workout, guys, for peak week. We're gonna get stuck into it with that AMRAP style pre-fatigue. It's an 8-minute block. We are using devil's press, single arm obviously, and then we're going into a single arm kettlebell bent over row and finishing every round with some bent hollow body rocks. So that's with bent knees, making it a little bit easier to get that 15 reps out. It's definitely a more challenging sort of pre-fatigue than what we've seen previously. That contrasting single arm devil's press into single arm bent over row is definitely going to tax the midline and the shoulders, but it's going to prepare us for the single rep deadlifts that we'll be doing. So, same as we saw on Monday, we have 1 rep every 20 seconds for a minute. So it's 3 reps, obviously, in the 60 seconds. Then you have a minute rest straight after. The idea with this is that you are finding a weight that is tough, but you definitely aren't doing it twice and failing it on the third time. We want to see 3 reps go up every minute, so make sure the weight is manageable, no breakdowns in form. This isn't typically a 3 rep max or a 1 rep max 3 times, absolutely not. It is a tough cluster with adequate rest between, and know that that 60 seconds between every minute is not really that long. So it's definitely not long enough for you to do 90% of your 1 rep max 3 times. No way. This is probably going to be more like 75, 80% of your max. So if you do have an idea of what your 1 rep max is, use that as a guide. Now, our tempo supersets. Same thing as we saw on Monday. We got 2 10-minute blocks this time around, so slightly more time than we've given previously. Barbell hip thrusts are back. So we've got them, should be getting used to them from what we've done last week. Ring body saws are back in, and then we have our kettlebell push press and our dumbbell elbowing row. So elbowing row is a wider row than a typical tight sort of dumbbell row or anything like that. Wider means more post-delt. So we're targeting movements like this that is going to target the back of the shoulder. If you come in tighter, it's more lat. So we've got enough lat in the program. We wanted to come in a little wider and do something different.